the outdoor kitchen. To get the burner out, you're going to press the blue levers down on both sides. You're going to pull it out, and then you can pull it the rest of the way, and it snaps into place. Of course, you'll raise the lid, put the wind blockers out. I guess they're called wind blockers. Anyway, then underneath there is a hose for the propane, and that goes to a quick connect underneath. I'll show you that in a second. If you want to put this in, you're going to do the same thing. Press the blue levers in. We leave the griddle up here, so you're just going to gradually work this out without hopefully tearing everything up. Okay. We put it on this table. Be sure that when you set up the table, it's far enough away from the camper that the heat from this griddle doesn't burn anything or melt anything. I'd say about 10 inches away. It's pretty good. You have a quick connect hose for the griddle that goes to the camper also. And then also up top we have a water hose, and that connects here, and it's just a quick connect. You take this end and you push it on until it snaps in place. You won't be able to pull it back out. And then you have cold and hot water here. Under the outdoor kitchen, you have these two quick connects, and this is for the propane. The one closest to the back, which is this one, is for your 2-burner stove. You're gonna press this in, and sometimes you have to pull this back and press it all the way in, let off, and then you want to give it a tug to make sure it doesn't come out. Once you have that connected, you're going to turn the propane on, and then you can use your 2-burner stove. Once you're finished using it, make sure this is off before you take this out. Otherwise, propane's going to come flying out of this thing, and you'll smell it and hear it. So to release it, you just push this back, pull the hose out, and then put the cap back on. This will work the same for the griddle. The griddle uses a quick connect also. It's down that way, and it works the exact same way. The hose that we provide with the griddle, you'll take this end that has the 90-degree turn on it. You're going to push it on, then you push this piece and it threads right on. You're going to get it as tight as you can, and then the opposite end goes to your quick connect underneath the outdoor refrigerator. And then once that's connected, you'll be able to use the griddle. Same with that. Once you unhook the quick connect, make sure you turn the gas off. Then you'll come up here, take this hose back off, and this is stored on the top shelf where the griddle is. Let this cool down. We do have all the grilling tools that go with this, the tools to clean off the top. Once it cools down to where, you know, it's cold, if you will, put the cover back on and put it back into the top shelf. The outdoor refrigerator is only going to operate when you're plugged in, so your 30 amp connector is plugged in, whether that's a generator or plugged into shore power. And you don't have to do anything to it. Once it's plugged in, everything will start working.